Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rochelle from Rochelle.Handmade.Designs, and in this video we will be doing McCall patterns, finally, right? McCall's patterns before 2013. So the patterns that I am showing are patterns before 2013 leading all the way up to winter 2013. Now, before I get started, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload an amazing video. Now, also, this week is Ankara Appreciation Week, so during the week I will be showing patterns with, of course, my Ankara fabric on, because y'all know I love Ankara fabric. So if you have any Ankara makes, go ahead and post them on Instagram under at Juliet Tudor. You can also look in the description box below, and it has all the information for the Ankara Appreciation Week. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. And don't forget that Joann's has a McCall pattern sale July 15th through July 18th. So it's very festive why I am doing this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into the new video. All right, so now we're moving over to the patterns from 2013. So these are not the patterns before 2013 anymore. These are the patterns that I picked up in, that I probably didn't pick them up in 2013, but these are the patterns that I have that are 2013, that came out in 2013. All right, so 6694, I'm gonna go through this quick because the video is already kind of long. 6694, actually, I'm going to make this a part 2. 6694 is the first one. I love view C, and that's the view that I would do. Next one is 6695. I like that tiered, it's not a tiered, but it's actually color block dress, and this is 6695. 6692. I think I'm going to do this dress in the spring when I do the battle of the shirt dress. That's my goal, to do a battle of the shirt dress to see which pattern has the best shirt dress. And I will tell that when I create this little series, mini series, right? 6696 is this pattern. Next one is 6697. I love the diagonal color block for knits. That's view D. That's the view I would do. 6697. 6698, love it. It's a fashion star. You can't go wrong with a fashion star pattern. This is 6698. Next one is 6699. I love this dress. I mean, it's a color block dress as well. I love color block things, and it's 6699. Next one is 6700. I have seen Mimi G do this dress. I have seen it around, what? Facebook. I think it was Facebook, on blog, and you can also check like Google Images and see that this pattern has been done so many times. It's 6700. Next one is 6701. I think I would want to do this as, like, you know, in April when they have prom. You could do it for a prom dress for someone or a holiday dress for someone as well. This is 6701. Next one is 6702. I love the Henley style top for this pattern. I like view B. It is a high-low pattern, a high-low right here. So that's the view that I would do, and it's 6702. Next one is 6704. I like view B and view D, the top and the dress. So whenever I get around to it, that's one of the views I would do. This is 6704. Next one is 6705. It's an easy knit pattern. I like view C, but I also like view A on the pattern. That's the reason why I picked it up, and it's 6705. Next one is 6706. I have seen Montoya Mayo do this pattern. It's an amazing pattern. I have also seen Emily Hallman do this pattern as well. She did view E, which is that color block. The color block one. I have an idea of what I want to do with this pattern. I'm looking at color blocking it, but color blocking it in a way it's going to be amazing. It's 6706. Next one is 6707. So this pattern reminds me of the boat pattern that I just did about a week ago. It was Vogue 8883. It's pretty much the same style of the pattern, and this is 6707. I will move this towards the top of my list to see if it's actually similar to the Vogue 8883. Sometimes they do that, you never know. Next one is 6708. It's a cardigan pattern. I like view D on the pattern, and that's the view I would do. 6708. Next one is 6710. I like view B, but I also like view C, the color block. So those are one of the views that I would do. I may actually make it in plain, which is view A as well, solids as well. It's 6710. The next pattern I would do as a spring or summer wardrobe pattern. Do different, you know, pair them together and make a complete mini set. This is 6711. Next one is 6712. You have view A and view B, which are a top and a skirt, which is a top and a skirt. And I like it. I'm not crazy about the pattern, but whenever I get to it, I'm more interested in view A than view B right at this point. It's 6712. Now I'm moving into the summer 2013 patterns, and the first pattern would be 6741. I like the dress. It's view B, and that's the view that I would do whenever I get around to this pattern. Next one, I see summer vibes, beach vibe with this pattern. The pattern is 6743. I like it for view B, and that's the view that I would do. Next one, I have seen this done so many times by so many sewers. It's 6744. Now, to be honest, this would be a great maxi skirt to use as the hashtag #SewMaxi for Mother's Day, created by both Crumpet Tea and Sewing, as well as Crystal from Crystal Sews and Stuff. So this would be a great pattern if you're able to find it. It's McCall 6744. Next one is 6745. I love the color block on view D. I like view A and view C as well. That's the reason why I picked it up, because I could see me making this pattern 2 to 3 different times. And you know, basically you want to utilize the pattern at least once or twice. I try to use the pattern twice unless it's just a pattern that I didn't too much care for. But this is 6745. Next one is 6746. Love the pattern. Now on this pattern, it's just basically creating the dress. You could belt it, not belt it, tie it up on the sides. You can do many views. It looks like so many views on this pattern, but this is a one that you could just do many different looks by just styling the dress different ways. Next one is 6750. I picked it up because this is a classic button-down shirt pattern. It gives you different options on making a top. I like every single view on this pattern, and this is 6750. Next one is 6751. I love the crisscross back on view A. I love the peekaboo on view B. That's the reason why I picked it up, and this is 6751. The next one is 6752. I love the dress on view D. I love view A as well. This is one of the dresses where it's like, I love it. I'm not like interested in sewing it right this moment, but whenever I get around to it, I would probably work on the dress first. And this is 6752. Next one is 6754. I picked this up because I seen Mimi G do this pattern as part of the Michael Levine not part of the Michael Levine collaboration. She did this pattern in a chevron with like a pencil skirt, if I remember correctly. If I could remember, I'll put the photo up. But that's the reason why I picked it up. It's 6754. Next one, 6756. These culottes remind me of the pattern I just did, which is Vogue 8883. Once again, which is also that previous pattern that I showed, 6707, I think was the number. So it looks similar, and sometimes they will have patterns look similar, but it's not the exact same pattern. It's 6756, and I love this pattern. The look of the pattern, I should say. I have not even read the details of the pattern yet. The next one is 6760. I like view B and view A, so I would do both views on this pattern, and it's 6760. Now moving on to the fall 2013 patterns. The first pattern is 6788. I love the color block. That's the reason why I picked it up. And I also picked it up because it's a fashion star pattern. It is very hard to get these fashion star patterns. So if you can find one, you probably would have to look on eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. Next one is 6789. I love the peplum style of this dress. If I decide to do it in a color block, it would be black and white. And once again, this pattern number is 6789. Next one is 6792. Another color block. What can I say? I like view B on this pattern, so that's the view that I would do. It's 6792. Next one is 6794. I have seen Emily Hallman do this pattern. I like view C, and that's the view that I would do. Next one, another color block, and it's a fashion star pattern. It's 6798. So this is the view that I would do. I mean, come on. I love it. It's 6798. 6799 is the next one. So this pattern reminds me of when I did the summer skirt series. It is that A-line skirt that I originally used, Butter 6249. Now, if you have this pattern, you can pull it out and basically have you a long A-line skirt as well. I love the yoke on the pattern. That's the reason why I got it. Picked up this pattern. However, if I decide to do a A-line skirt again and use this pattern, I would do view C because view D is extremely long. It's like to the ankles. So basically, I would do view C possibly if I decide to do this skirt, part of the summer skirt series. If I decide to bring it back next year, it's 6799. Next one is 6801. The reason why I picked up this pattern is because when Natia from S.C.O.O.P and I think it was Mara Lorraine, when they first came out with the hashtag BHM pattern designers, which stands for Black History Month pattern designers, that challenge is basically to choose an African American designer to celebrate in the month of February for Black History Month. So I was going through trying to find a African American designer to, pick a pattern. So I picked up this pattern, and I picked up a few more Tracy Reese patterns as well. This is one, and this is 6801. So if they decide to bring it back, whether it's, So Natural Dane or someone else, this year it was Island Socialist, which is Kara. They did an amazing job with the Black History Month Pattern Designer Challenge. And if So Natural Dane decide to bring it back next year, I may consider doing this pattern. It's 6801. Next one is 6802. Love the cardigan, love view C, but I also love view A as well. So it's one of those views that I would do, and this pattern is 6802. Next one. Now we're going into the winter for holiday style. I like all views. I would do it probably in a brocade fabric. I could see this pattern being made in a brocade fabric, and this is 6833. The next pattern has been on my list forever. 6835. What can I say? Love it. This could be a great lounge dress or a quick throw it on and go out the house with some booties or some heels on quickly. This is 6835. Next one is 6836. I could see this being made for like a quick holiday or a date night with your your hubby, your partner, significant other, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever you want to call them. It's 6835. I'm sorry, 6836, and this is also a fashion star pattern. The next one I have done on 3 different occasions. I have done it for a young lady for prom. I have done it for myself. I have done it for a cousin. This is 6838. I love the pattern. You are the creator. You are in the creator's seat. So you create a dress or a top or whatever you want to do, utilizing the pattern and the different pieces. So I created the, the off the shoulder with the straight skirt. That's the look that I created for myself. And then I did it for a prom style look. And I did this entire look right here for a young lady. And we blinged it out. And then for my cousin, I did the train. So therefore, I have made this 3 times. I have not retired the pattern. I really want to do one more and before I retire the pattern, but this is 6838. The next one, I really do not know why I picked it up, but I think because the green just stood out, so I picked it up, and I like the A-line effect of this pattern, and this is 6840. The next one is 6842. Mimi G did this pattern. I think she did it in a green and a blue as a dress instead of a skirt. She took a different pattern and did the top and then just created the skirt to attach to it, but this is 6842. Next one is 6843. I did this, I basically sewn this pattern up back in January of this year, 2021. I did an off-the-shoulder top and some shorts. I did a 3-piece set actually. I did an off-the-shoulder top, these shorts utilizing view A on this pattern, and then a skirt. And the top and the skirt was part of Sew It Academy course number 3, and I just added some shorts simply because I had enough fabric to do so, because I have no fabric left behind. But this pattern is 6843. Next one is 6846. I love view C. That's the reason why I picked it up. But once again, this pattern is 6846. And the last pattern is 6848. Mimi G did this pattern as kind of like a loungewear style pattern as part of Michael Levine collaboration many moons ago. And once again, this pattern is 6848. Well, there you have it. That's all the patterns that I have before 2013. That's 2010, 2011, 2012, and 2013 that I lumped into one video. Yes. So like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. And also do not forget that Joann's has a pattern sale July 15th through July 18th. So if there's anything that you would like that you have seen in this video, make your list and then go ahead and head over to Joann's in order to get it. If you cannot find it in Joann's pattern drawer, you can always go to Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. So until next time, bye!